Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one desktop notifier app in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like doing my previous project of Python. And first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that, you have to also hit the notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So it will be also help for you, and it will be also help for me, because here when I will be just uploading any video, you will be getting notification and learning more new projects, more new things which I will be just uploading on my channel. And I hope that will be also helpful to you in future, and the previous one also which I have just made. And I will be also uploading Python tutorial and like Node.js tutorial in future, and I hope you will also enjoy that things which I will be just uploading. So just today is project of the Desktop Notifier app, and I will show you how to make here. So here you can see at the right, you can't see here because my camera is coming, but if you just go to your own right, means in your taskbar here, then underneath you will be getting right section these things here. Okay, so first of all, here you will be getting the notifications of your Desktop Notifier app which will be coming, but you can't see here because my face cam is coming here. But if you are doing that, so you can see your own here. Okay, so here mine is coming face cam, so because of that you can't see. Now I will be zoom into my codes here so you can see code. So this is some of the small project here, so you have to just work with. So here I will be doing one thing, like I will be just writing here, like first of all I'll be open the previous file which I was just opening. So I will be writing open file, and I will be going to my local disk, means I'll be going to my desktop and open my file of Python which I have just opened previously here. So here I'll be opening that file here. So I'll be going to top. Okay, so this is my file. So here I'll be selecting that, and here, and I'll be pressing open. So you can see that. Now I will be coming here, and here you have to do one thing, like you have to download something. So you have to go to command prompt, or you can say cmd that. So you will be thinking like, I do just Python in PyCharm text editor, but why I'm doing today in VS Code? So the answer is like, I will be not doing further on like in VS Code, but today I am just doing in VS Code because here this which we are making like Desktop Notifier app, it's only run on like VS Code. Okay, but you can also use any other tag like Atom, then Sublime Text, but you cannot use PyCharm in that, because here if you use that, so it has not feature of Win 10 Toaster which we are using in this Desktop Notifier app. So we have to just download that here. So for downloading this Win 10 Toaster, you have to just write here like pip. Okay, so we are not working with React, we are working with Python. So here I'll be writing pip install. Okay, for installing that, so I'll be writing pip install, and right here like just we are writing Win 10 Toaster, and you have to press enter. So you have to just wait some time, because here you can see it is coming error because I have just already download. And here when you just download that, here you have to write pip install again, but here now you have to write Win 10 toast. If I write and press enter here, so you can see there is coming like your requirement already satisfied, because I've just already download. If you don't have download, so you can just download here. When you will be writing, it will take some time to just download it, and it's depend on your computer like how fast it is. So it will be take the time related to your computer like that. So here I will be doing one thing. Now I will be just closing this command prompt, but here we can't do like run in VS Code, so we have to just go to terminal or run, or we can also go to cmd, means command prompt, to run that here. So first of all I will be saving my file. So here like I've telling you previously, when we are working with PyCharm text editor, like here we have to don't write .py, but it is a VS Code, so here we have to write our file name and .py also, because here it is not the same file like Python. So here I will be writing my Python file name like notifier. Then here I will be changing that to .py, and I'll be going to desktop and saving that at the desktop, so there will be not any problem to running that here. And you can see that now it is run, and here with the name of notifier.py. So here when you've just done with that things here, I will be just coming here now, and I'll be writing like import. So when you just download this Win 10 toast which we have to just download, you have to write import in Python, then write Win 10 toast. And when you've just done that, you have to just import that here. You have to do one thing, like you have to just come here also, and here if I just go to this .py, you can see all the things are written like that. Now when you just done with these things, I'll be going to notifier, and I'll be writing like toaster equal, and I'll be writing show dot or underscore toast. Then here I'll be doing one thing, I'll be erasing that because here I don't need these things. So here when you've just done that all, so I'll be writing Win 10 toast, and here I'll be writing like toaster, and you have to just close that by writing this. So when you've just done that, I will be coming underneath here and writing a tag which will be just, you can see that here we have just done that. So here we have written toast notifier, so you have to also write, so there will be not any problem here. So here I'll be writing toast notifier, then I will be coming underneath here and writing a tag which will be just having like, go to this .py, you can see toaster.show toast. So here I'll be writing toaster.show toast, and you can write anything here in that. So I'll be writing like Python, and here I'll be writing like success, and I will be writing like this is running. So when you've just done with that thing, when you've just done that, you have to just hit save and your work has done. So here it will be not take some of the like minutes to just run, and here you can also set your duration here by writing comma, and right here like duration you can set to 5, or you can also set to 10 seconds, 20, 30, it's your choice how many seconds do you want to. So here it will be just coming the icon of Python till the duration which you have set, and when your duration will be finished, so your Python logo will be just gone there. So here you have to take that. Now when you've just done with that things, I'll be going back, and it is just enough because Desktop Notifier is some of the small project of Python which you work with, but I am telling for beginners, like if you don't know about that, so you can just work with and you can check like your Desktop Notifier is working or not, and from that you can also check your like desktop notification, like from here it is working or not, or it is your notification is enabled or not, because here in computer it is also disabled like our notification when we just done that, and you can also enable that with the help of that. Means you can just confirming that it is enabled or not, so you can just enable with the help of that here. So when you've just done with that things here, so here you have to do one thing, like you have to save and it is done. So we have just done with our work. So when you've just done with that things here, you have to do nothing, just you can go to terminal or run, or you can also go to command prompt to run that here. But we will be doing one thing, like I'll be going to my command prompt, and here I will be just writing like cd, and I'll be writing desktop in which we have just put our file, then I'll be writing python this.py to run that. Press enter and you will be getting a small Python logo here like I am getting, but you can't see here because my face cam is coming, so don't care about that. Just you have to write this code when you will be writing like if I show you. So now it will be also lagging if you just having some of the small. So here I'll be writing like Python. You have to write your file name like that. Here you have to also write .py here because it is really important to write. And in the starting you have to also write Python, because here you have to just important to just define what file you are defining here. So we have to just define Python file. Then I'll be pressing enter, and you can see nothing happens because we have not defined the location of our file. Now I'll be writing this .py, and you will be getting a small logo of Python with the help of notification here. When you will be just do your own self, so you will be also getting these things. So don't care about that why my face cam is coming, but it will be just your will be just good if you just write these codes here, and when you just run that. So like that you can just build your own desktop notifier app project in Python. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoyed this project, and this project was just small enough, so don't care about that. After we will be just having big projects also, like all the projects is till 10 minutes because these are the small projects which we are doing. Then when we come on data sciences of Python, so the projects will be just about 1 hour 30 minutes, then 2 hour 3 hour, like we have in clones when we are making. So like that I hope you understand this project also, and I hope you also enjoy this project, and just you have to practice these all Python projects. I've also previously upload this project, so you can also take previous, but there are the older version, and this is which I am doing, it is a new version of that, so you can check this out here. So like that you can just work with your desktop notifier app. So just here you have to practice these all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of Python also, like you're of Python obviously previous one. So I will be just meet you in next projects. I will be just meet you in next project.